welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Hetkem and welcome back to another tutorial. So I'm starting off using my leave-in conditioner from PCJ. So I'm going in with my shea butter. My hair is freshly washed. And then I will use my smooth and whole pudding from olive oil. I would like to section my hair. My hair is very short, so it's very difficult in dealing with it. So if you have a longer hair, then it's a plus for you. This is the gel that I will be using. My hair is very short, but I will try and get a grip of it. And I wouldn't take all my hair at once because it's very short. I will take it section by section so that I gather it and get a hold of it. When you realize that the hair is short and it cannot come together as you want, you can go ahead and secure it with a pin at your back. Nobody will know it. The scarf around your hair, you go and sleep, or you wait for 3 to 4 hours, or you wait as long as you want. So this is how the hair looks like after allowing it to dry for 3 good hours. And I did some things also in the house. And this is how my back looks like. I just put something here at the back of my hair so that I will get a grip of it. So this is what I will do. I'm just tying the hair at my back at the grip that I need. Right now the hair is done. What I'm about to do is to deal with the edges.